well, I hope you're doing well. This is a second video just on recording processes for a new EP that I want to put together for 2020. So what I like to do is kind of put my song ideas down on iPhone. It's probably the most key, easiest way to lay down your song ideas these days. I remember I used to have a little mini disc player back in the day, but really the iPhone and just using memos is a fantastic way of getting your ideas down so you don't forget them. So in this video, what I'd like to do is just take you through one of the songs that I'm pretty confident that I've got the melody and the lyrics down fairly well for now. There may be some little changes a little bit later on, but fundamentally I'm confident with this song that the melody, the tune, the lyrics are kind of there or thereabouts. So this song that I would like to kind of take you through is a song called Maybe I Don't Know. So very simply, what I'm going to do is just open up the iPhone, click the voice memo, and just record. Okay, so here we go.
You're not alone, you know we'll always be near. No need for you to fear. So don't get frustrated, just let it all fade away. Just let it fade away. And she said, maybe I don't know. It's the funny thing she says that makes me smile. Maybe I don't know. It's the funny thing she says. What are your struggles? What are you facing, my dear? Can you make it clear? Now don't get anxious. You know we'll always be here, and we'll always be near. So don't say maybe I don't know. It's the funny thing she says that makes me smile. Maybe I don't know. It's the funny thing she says. And maybe I don't know. It's the funny thing she says that makes me smile. And maybe I don't know. It's the funny thing she says. So take my hand, it will be okay. I see your troubles fade away. I see a future bright for you, and those you'll meet will see it too. So take my hand, it will be okay. I see your troubles fade away. So don't say maybe I don't know. It's the funny little thing she says. Maybe I don't know. It's the funny thing she says that makes me smile. And maybe I don't know. It's the funny thing she says. So maybe I don't know. It's the funny thing she says that makes me smile. That makes me smile.
Okay, so there you have it. That's vlog number 2 completed. So a new video hopefully will be coming out to you next week. You'll see in the next video where I will airdrop that audio track straight into my Mac Mini and then drag that into Logic. We'll be thinking about some arrangement ideas, also thinking about putting together a basic drum track for the song as well. So that's for the next video. I'd love to hear your comments. What do you use to kind of record your thoughts down? Do you use a phone like myself, or I remember back in the day having a mini disc player, which was a good tool, but you know, the phone's with you all the time. So I'd love to hear your comments. Please don't forget to subscribe, give us a like, and I will see you very, very soon. Bye bye for now.